All right, gentlemen, you've been overruled. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my directions. We're going to keep it clean. Touch gloves, we're good.
Former two-division champion, the notorious. It feels pretty tense wherever you may be. Fight back is brought to you by Modelo. Blue for opening fight experience. Romy in blue. Conor McGregor with a couple early shoulder strikes is in green.
Boom. And again, sets it up. Boom. Again, on the nose that time. And again, that one on the eye. Conor with a big shot to start this off. Oh, Donald's nose is already bleeding. See it again. Gets him right on the jaw.
Yeah, right over the guard, man.
It's a phenomenal performance.
Everybody worried about that left hand, and he comes out and does that.
And just beats him down here.
I like that. He knows how tough Cowboy is. And
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dean has called a stop to this contest at 40 seconds of the very first round. Declaring